Hello everyone! Everything I'm going to tell you has been validated by the mechanics at the shop where I'm working, so relax, we're almost at the solution. If the message service shifter appears on your Jeep Cherokee, don't panic too much, but don't ignore it either. Basically, the car is saying, hey, something isn't right with my gear shifter or its electronics, so I'm going to protect myself. This can make you see strange lights on the shifter positions and hear an annoying beep when you try to change gears. The first thing many mechanics find is that, in many cases, the problem comes from a loose or poor contact wire in the shifter harness or the surrounding bezel. Yes, something as simple as a loose connector can make the computer think the shifter is malfunctioning, which triggers the message. Inspecting and cleaning these connectors usually fixes the warning temporarily. Another common cause is the design of the original bezel and harness. In some Cherokees from 2014 to 2018, it was a bit weak. Over time, wires rub or connectors lose firmness. Many mechanics report that replacing the bezel and harness with the updated version permanently solved the problem because there are no more false contacts or loose wires. In some cases, the message can appear even when everything is properly connected. Here, the cause is usually a loss of communication between modules. The shifter module isn't talking properly with the transmission or the car's main computer. This can be due to dirty wires, a weak battery, or vibrations. Checking the battery, cleaning terminals, and securing electrical connections helps eliminate this problem. Finally, there are more serious cases where the shifter or shifter module really needs to be replaced, especially if the shifter stops moving properly or the message keeps coming back despite cleaning and reconnecting everything. At this point, it's best to go to a specialized shop or dealership for a professional diagnosis.